as I promised, probably an hour ago. Now I'm live again. Our ride is here. This is our ride. This is Kemal. Say hello, Kemal. So we're going to Mehmetçik in the back of a tractor. What better adventure, isn't it? And Mitsu, of course. Okay?
Beni koyan tek kişi Mitsu'dur.
Oh, he's the only one protecting you? How about Mama? Okay, ready to go, Kemal? Ready to go. So now I will continue recording this. Give me a second. Okay. That's Mitsu. Hello, Mitsu. Okay, and now we're lifting. Yay!
Fly.
Flying! We say goodbye to the other people here. Bye! Here we go. On this occasion, because we've got a minute before we hit the actual road, I wish to thank again our food and beverage sponsor, the Three Bears shop in Alsancak. I want to thank again Telsim Vodafone for being our communication sponsor. You have noticed by now that we're wearing the Vodafone hats at all times. I wish to thank everyone, all the good Samaritans that have helped us until today. And I hope you will be enjoying the rest of our adventures. Goodbye, Büyükkonuk.
Bay bay Büyükkonuk.
Bye bye, Büyükkonuk.
İlk defa traktörün arasında gezen.
Ben daha önce traktörün arkasında gezdim. I have been in the back of a tractor before. Have you been before?
gezmedim.
No, he has never been in the back of a tractor before. Bu ilk defa.
Okuldayken gezdim.
Okuldayken. Anladım.
Okuldayken ben şöyle bir şey olduydu. Otobüsün üstüne oturduyduk da öyle götürülerdi bizi.
Öyle mi?
Bir gün öyle götürdük. Yani.
Bye everyone.